In 2025, the world of electric bikes has reached a new level of power, design, and innovation, and today we're diving into the top 5 best electric bikes of 2025, machines that combine speed, comfort, and smart technology to redefine what modern mobility feels like. Starting with the Ehora Romeo Pro 3, this bike sets a high standard for premium electric performance. With its futuristic design, integrated lighting, and muscular frame, the Romeo Pro 3 looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's powered by a robust 1000-watt motor paired with a large-capacity lithium battery that can easily deliver up to 60 miles of range on a single charge. The bike's torque sensor ensures smooth, natural power delivery, while its full suspension system and hydraulic disc brakes provide a stable and confident ride on any terrain. Riders love its LCD color display, Bluetooth connectivity, and 5 levels of pedal assist that make every journey effortless. The Romeo Pro 3 also features regenerative braking, so every stop helps recharge your battery slightly, a thoughtful touch that shows how much attention eAhora gives to real-world efficiency. This is a true commuter's dream, sleek, powerful, and intelligent enough to handle daily rides or weekend adventures with equal ease. At number 2, we have a model that blends futuristic design with incredible comfort, the Encom DB1. This e-bike has been turning heads across the US for its premium features, smooth performance, and high-tech aesthetics. The Encom DB1 comes with a 750-watt brushless motor that delivers enough torque to tackle steep hills effortlessly, and its large-capacity 48V20R battery provides an impressive up to 70 miles of range. What makes it stand out is its integrated smart display that connects via smartphone, allowing you to track performance data, GPS routes, and even control lighting or assist levels through an app. Its hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension fork, and comfortable ergonomic saddle make every ride luxurious and secure. The DB1 also features a carbon-inspired frame that's lightweight yet extremely strong, giving the perfect balance between durability and style. It's designed for both city commuters and casual weekend riders who value tech, performance, and visual appeal. Whether you're gliding through busy streets or exploring scenic bike paths, the Anycom DB1 delivers one of the smoothest and most enjoyable e-bike experiences of 2025. Coming in at number 3 is something completely different, light, playful, and incredibly practical, the JackRabbit OG2 Pro. Unlike traditional e-bikes, the JackRabbit is all about minimalism and portability. It's small enough to fit in your car trunk, under a desk, or even inside an apartment closet, yet strong enough to get you where you need to go. The OG2 Pro is powered by a 500-watt rear hub motor and a quick-swap battery system that gives about 20 miles of range per charge, but you can carry spare batteries for instant refueling on the go. Its unique frame design makes it feel fun and easy to ride, no pedals, just throttle and go. The bike weighs under 30 pounds, so it's perfect for urban riders who need maximum convenience without sacrificing reliability. Despite its small size, it can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour, making it great for short commutes, campus rides, or last-mile transport. The JackRabbit OG2 Pro is a reminder that electric mobility doesn't have to be bulky or complicated, it's about smart design, efficiency, and pure fun. It's ideal for young professionals, students, or anyone tired of traffic who wants a fast, foldable solution that literally goes anywhere. Next up at number 4 is a beast that pushes the boundaries between an e-bike and a high-performance scooter, the FLJ F14 72V 12000W 100R electric scooter. Don't let the word scooter fool you. This monster packs an insane 12,000 watts of power driven by dual-hub motors, making it one of the most powerful electric rides available in 2025. Built like a tank, it's made for thrill-seekers who crave extreme acceleration and off-road dominance. With a top speed exceeding 80 miles per hour, it's not for the faint-hearted. The massive 100Ah battery delivers incredible range, more than 100 miles per charge under ideal conditions, and the hydraulic suspension system with front and rear shocks ensures stability even on rugged terrains. The FLJ F14 features a solid aluminum frame, thick off-road tires, and advanced dual hydraulic brakes for maximum safety. It's more than just a scooter, it's a true performance machine that blurs the line between e-bike and electric motorcycle. For riders who want extreme speed, heavy-duty design, and long-range adventure potential, The FLJ F14 is one of 2025's most thrilling electric two-wheelers. And finally, taking the #1 spot on our list, a true legend that has been redefined for the electric era, the Brompton Electric C Line. Brompton has always been known for its iconic folding bikes, and the C Line takes that heritage to a whole new level with electric power. This masterpiece combines classic British design with cutting-edge e-bike technology. The C Line is powered by a smart 250-watt front hub motor paired with a lightweight, removable battery pack, delivering smooth, responsive acceleration while keeping the overall weight low. What makes this bike truly special is its folding mechanism. In just seconds, it transforms from a full-size ride into a compact, portable package that fits in a car trunk, under a desk, or even on public transport. Perfect for city dwellers, travelers, and professionals on the go, the Brompton Electric C Line offers an unmatched combination of portability, performance, and craftsmanship. It features 3 assist modes, a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, and a range of 30 to 40 miles, depending on usage. The frame, handmade in London, feels solid yet light, and every detail, from the ergonomic grips to the LED lighting system, exudes quality. It's more than just an electric bike, it's a lifestyle accessory that represents convenience, sustainability, and sophistication. For 2025, no other e-bike balances practicality, design, and heritage like the Brompton Electric C Line.